Hello, everyone. In this session, we will understand how to enter data in the claim balance screen within the Onfinity system. Here's the use case. The ERP system was implemented in May 2025. The organization offers an annual claim benefit called Work-Life Balance. Two employees, Abhishek and Ishan, have already utilized INR 2,000 and INR 1,200 respectively. These amounts need to be recorded in the system to ensure that they do not exceed the defined eligibility. Now let's walk through the steps to update the claim balances. Admin logs into the Onfinity system. Navigate to the menu. Go to HR Management Claim Balances. Click Create New Record. Enter the relevant details in the claim balances screen and save the record. Use case execution. The admin logs into the system and navigates to Menu HR Management Claim Balances. A new record is created, and the subclaim details are entered for each employee accordingly. Save the record after adding the details. Now let's see how this works inside the system. This is the login screen. The admin enters their user ID and password, then clicks Login to access the system. Upon login, you'll see various widgets displaying relevant data. To begin the process, navigate to the menu. Go to the HR Management folder, then select the Claim Management folder. From there, click on Claim Balances. In the Claim Balances screen, you'll find fields such as Organization. Select the employee's organization. Employee. Choose the employee from the list. Subclaim type. Select the appropriate subclaim. Claim date. Enter the date the claim was taken. Currency. Specify the currency used. Claim amount. Enter the amount claimed. Claim duration. Choose the applicable duration, e.g., per annum, per day, per month, or per trip. After entering all the required details, click Save to complete the process. Now, let's create a new record to add details for the next employee. The organization name is auto-fetched based on the admin's login. If the employee belongs to a different organization, you can manually update the organization name. Then proceed to select the employee. Choose the subclaim type. Enter the claim date. Select the appropriate currency. Enter the claim amount. Specify the claim duration, per annum, per day, per month, or per trip. Finally, click Save to record the entry. Purpose of the Claim Balances screen. This screen is used to record any amounts already claimed by employees, which will then be deducted from their total claim eligibility. For example, if an employee like Ishan has an eligibility of INR 5,000 under the Work-Life Balance subclaim, and INR 1,200 is recorded here, then only INR 3,800 will remain available for future claims. This is particularly useful when employees have already utilized a portion of their eligibility before the system implementation. Recording those amounts here ensures they don't exceed their defined limits. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.